Mike Hughes here. I'm at Eco Cosmetics Scuba Screen, and I'm here with Erica, and you want to tell us about your products here?
Sure. So this is Scuba Screen Eco Cosmetics that we made for divers by ocean lovers. We currently offer an eco-friendly shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioner in our beautiful recyclable aluminum tank that even has a special O-ring that can save your dive, that can actually be used on the
O-ring
tank.
can be used, but not the whole tank.
There we go. Not the whole tank. There won't be air in there. Cool. Don't try to use it. But we're working on it. Maybe one day.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and if they want more information about the products, they're going to go to scubascreen.com?
Absolutely. Come see us on scubascreen.com,
okay.
And you can purchase products there. And if you're buying this week during DEMA, 20% off.
I won't tell them about DEMA. They'll just have to guess about that. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, come check it out.